Mai Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission. The concept for Mai Fijian Voices was developed to profile SME entrepreneurs on the front line of COVID response. With the unfolding crisis of COVID-19, the lives of many Fijians had changed. From farming to the tourism sector and everything in between, Fijians played an outsized role in keeping their communities safe and resilient in the face of COVID-19. The series told the stories of those on the front lines by profiling their small and medium enterprises, including the important roles they are playing. Mai Fijian Voices, in partnership with the British High Commission, was produced to empower more Fijian SME entrepreneurs, inspire our nation, and encourage others to setting up their own SMEs.
Bula, I'm Sarah Ranandi. I'm from Nakoreva Umbau in Teilevu. I'm a market vendor in Nosori Market.
Nosori market vendor Sarah Ranandi's cooked seafood SME was profiled in the first episode of the series on the 22nd of October in 2020. The platform placed her SME in the spotlight, which saw an increase in her number of customers and sales. Today, and months after her debut on the series, Sarah Ranandi's ready-cooked seafood SME boasts to being the most popular stall in the cooked seafood section of the bustling Nosori market.
Sarah, thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mai TV for that. Ever since I've been on Mai TV, my business has grown recently, especially on Friday and on Saturday. Most of my customers came and tell me, I saw you on TV, and it was really great. I get to meet a lot of new people. My stuff that I sold every week has been like this. About 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, my table has run out of all the stock that I'm selling. I think small businesses like me selling in the market, on the streets, advertisement is a big help. Even on the Mai TV or any other social media, Facebook, if they can advertise their business on social media to improve their business every week, would be a really great help for them. To small businesses out there, at this trying time, COVID-19, I think you should set your goal, try to achieve it, and be positive. I'm Sarah Ranandi, and this is Mai Fijian Voices.
Bula, I'm Shivagni Mala, and I'm from Rekireki.
Mai Fijian Voices' third series traveled to the province of Ra to profile Shivani Mala, a passionate and hardworking entrepreneur whose fish shop, car wash and barbecue stall became a hit after our profile on her SME. Today, her barbecue stall has become a pit stop to the hundreds of passengers that pass through the King's Highway and journey on the roll-on, roll-off ferry service that berths and departs from the Allington jetty.
I'm located at Malaki Landing. It's in Rekireki. It's on the main highway, and the business I'm operating is I'm selling fish, and I'm also doing car wash, and I'm also doing the barbecue. Actually, my business grows up, and plenty people would like to buy my commercial property here. Then I'm not selling it because I have to keep building my business. My advice for them is to keep working hard and never mind whatever comes across, just keep working hard and success will come automatically to you. I'm Shivagni Mala, and this is Mai Fijian Voices.
Up next, find out about the impact of the show on some tourism SMEs. Keep watching My Fijian Voices. My Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission. My Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission. In June of 2020, COVID-19 had infected over 10 million people and caused the deaths of over 500,000 worldwide at the time. In response, most countries closed their borders to visitors and tourists. The UN World Tourism Organization reported that during the second quarter of 2020, and for the first time ever, 100% of global destinations, including Fiji, introduced travel restrictions. As a result, international tourism had been almost totally suspended and Fiji's tourism industry curtailed by lockdown conditions imposed in many countries. To offer support to some local tourism SMEs, the spotlight was placed on Golden Point Resort, perched neatly along the Kings Highway and on the sun coast of the Ra province.
Bula Fiji, my name's Lance Cito. I'm the chef owner for Kanu Restaurant.
I'm Derek Miller from Vasanga Productions.
I'm Rochelle Mishra. I'm Managing Director of Golden Point Resort, and this is Mai Fiji. My name is Rochelle Mishra, and I am the Managing Director of Golden Point Resort. Golden Point Resort is located on the northern part of Viti Levu, right on the Kings Highway and right on the water. It's a small resort which is ideal for people that want to get away from the crowds. It's a beautiful place to relax, to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. We offer a wide range of cuisines on our menu with a very reasonable price. We have various activities to suit all types of people. You could use, we have kayaks which are free of charge. We have the swimming pool. We have a pool table. We have horse riding. We have dolphin watching. We take people out on the boat to see the dolphins, to go out snorkeling, to go to the sandbank. We also do fishing charters. We are very popular for that as well, fishing charters. We have reasonable prices for that, for your family or for your friends. And it's just a place to get away, really, from the crowds. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful surprise. I've had an amazing response. When I go out, when I do venture out from the resort, people come up to me and they say, wow, we loved your interview. We saw you last week. And I would say you've been featuring my interview several times. It wasn't just once. So that was great exposure. I had so many people ringing me, asking me more questions, booking with me, where many people had no idea about Golden Point Resort. So, and we are talking about exposure at a great, how can I say, the base is very wide, as in all types of ethnic groups, ages, all types of people have been now drawn to Golden Point thanks to my TV exposing and, you know, showcasing what we have here. For sure, for sure, for sure. Don't even think about it. Go for it, especially the times we are in right now. This is what we need. My TV's got the support in every sense. They definitely cater for smaller businesses. They cater for the people that need that exposure, that, you know, that are not well known out there, and very affordable. And in the way they bring out and do their shows, and it's in a very natural manner. So we all feel comfortable putting forward or showcasing what we have. So definitely I have no doubt in my mind, and I definitely support and I encourage all businesses out there to go for it and ask for my TV to, you know, give them support. Again, I say go for it. These are hard times. We are all really, really struggling, but we must stay, we must fight, we must be survivors, because it's not going to be like this forever. It's just a phase we're all going through. Don't give up. Please keep pushing. Be passionate about what you are doing. It's very, very important. And of course, going into business requires a lot of sacrifices, perseverance. So I encourage people to still look into having their own businesses or aspiring to realizing their dreams that they have. I'm Rachel Hashash Mishra, and this is Mai Fijian Voices.
In December, the spotlight moved further east and to the Ndawa Samu coastline, the home of the famous Black Sands and Natale Eco Lodge, now well known for their spinner dolphin watching out on Moon Reef.
Bula Binaka, my name is Joseph Ambao from Natale Eco Lodge, and we are located 85 kilometers north of Corvo town in the district of Ndawa Samu and the province of Taileu. Natale Eco Lodge offers accommodation, and we have a lot of natural activities that we offered, like dolphin watching at Moon Reef, which is 15 to 20 minutes by boat. And when we come back, we can do snorkeling. And after snorkeling, we can do some trawling on our way back to Natale Eco Lodge. And we offered traditional meals like lovo and kokonda. And also we have a guided trip that can take our guests to Didirati waterfall, which is 20 minutes trekking behind our homestead. After that episode 3 on Mai Fijian Voices, it really boosts the marketing for our product. And we usually quiet on the weekdays and the weekends, but now we are getting heavy bookings on the weekends. And we also have other group bookings that they are also booking on, already booked our Easter and also weekdays too. I think it's very, very vital for a small business to be viewed on this next episode, because it will help boost their product, and it's also a great opportunity for marketing purposes. My advice and my encouragement during this in the middle of this COVID-19, I challenge and I encourage us all to never stop, keep working and try to maintain what we have right now, because we will not always going into a dark tunnel. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. I'm Zembao, and you're watching Mai Fijian Voices.
Up next, Afterburn Fitness Fiji and Jonathan Hill. Hear more about the impact of Mai Fijian Voices on his SME next. Mai Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission. Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission. After the first episode aired on the 22nd of October 2020, Mai Fijian Voices became a popular series across TV and digital platforms. The show received a huge following on both TV and social media, with many viewers describing the show as informative, inspirational, and interesting. Episode 1 received over 14,000 views on the Mai TV Facebook page, with a staggering amount of viewership, likes and comments each week. The show aired on all 3 platforms, namely TV, Facebook and YouTube. The season series was picked up by New Zealand's Face TV on the Sky Network to air across the New Zealand television scene. Mai Fijian Voices will soon be available on board Fiji Airways in-flight entertainment.
Bula, I'm Jonathan Hill, founder and head trainer at Afterburn Fitness Fiji.
In November 2020, the series profiled fitness guru Jonathan Hill and his SME Afterburn Fitness Fiji. With the spotlight, Jonathan received an increase in the number of clients attending his fitness sessions that are held in Albert Park in Fiji's capital, Suva, from Monday to Fridays.
So Afterburn Fitness Fiji is a mixed fitness-based class. We have multiple classes ranging from strength and conditioning to Tabata, boxing, hit circuit, and a new class that we've just started a few weeks ago is System After Dark, where we have a nightclub setting, and instead of partying, we're working out. And we're based out here at Albert Park. We get fresh air, enjoy nature, and just vibe off everybody else that's around you. So for Mai Fijian Voices, since our first interview, I guess our number has grown. From our last interview, our max number was around 40, and now till this day, we've reached the 80 mark, 80 plus. This morning we had 54 people training with us this morning. So yeah, I'd say that Mai Fijian Voices has done Afterburn Fitness a really good job by promoting what we do and showing the rest of Fiji and the world what we offer here in Suva. If you're running a SME and Andy approaches you, take it. Say yes. First time I was hesitant because I'm camera shy and all this, but yeah, in the long run it did well for Afterburn, and yeah, big promotion, and yeah, the rest of Fiji get to see what you do and what you have to offer. So one advice that I would give is just keep doing what you're doing. If you're passionate about it, show up, do. If you have one customer on Monday, you may have 2 customers on Tuesday. But if you don't show up, then those 2 customers will walk away. So yeah, just show up, keep doing what you're doing, and be passionate about it. I'm Jonathan Hill, and this is Mai Fijian Voices.
Another SME that reported an increase in popularity was the Nandi-based Vasanga Productions. The brainchild of Derek Miller, this popular food spot located in the Namaka market became exposed to customers that did not know of its existence. Vasanga Productions is Nandi's go-to food spot for tasty meals and friendly customer service. Wainunga Farmers Cooperative in Nambolini Village, famously branded as the home of chips, became another instant hit after we profiled their tasty chips that is produced in the village. During a drive-through at Tailevu province, the Mai Fijian Voices team checked into the processing factory and was told that the brand had become more exposed through our profile on this series. Thank you for watching our show. I hope you enjoyed our first season and hearing inspiring stories from SME entrepreneurs that we profiled in this series. Remember, you can watch your favorite episodes on demand via our Mai TV YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notifications for all our new videos. Season 2 will light up your screens and social media from October, so be sure to keep following our Mai TV Facebook page for updates. We will have more interesting stories and profiles from innovative SMEs across Fiji. I'm Andy Blake. This is Mai Fijian Voices. Bisamo demanda.
Mai Fijian Voices.
My Fijian Voices is proudly produced in partnership with the British High Commission.